Hi there, welcome to my channel if today is your first time. Now in this video I'm just showing how I was able to make a knotless braid, crochet knotless braid with coily ends. So this particular part, if you are a professional, you will be familiar with this particular part, but if you are a beginner, then this is the first step I have to do. I'm just crocheting my boss braid onto the wig cap. Okay, so I don't really know how to explain, but this video is self-explanatory. If you love watching my videos, you will know that I always try as much as possible to make my videos self-explanatory, okay, so that even a beginner can be able to, like, if you want to make for your personal use or you want to make for a client. Okay, so while crocheting your boss braid, you should space out according to how you want it to be. Okay, so I'm just going to be crocheting my boss braids until I reach where I sewed my lace. Okay, I'm using a 5x5 closure to make this wig. I'm using a 5x5 closure to make this wig. Okay, and this hairstyle is going to be short. This is a short hairstyle, knotless braid with coily ends. The ends is going to be coily. My client wanted to gift her mom this hair. Okay, so watch this video to the end. Make sure that you press the like button, share, subscribe, comment, okay, and drop a comment in the comment section. Okay, let's be friends. Drop a comment, let me know where you are watching from, and make sure that you share my videos to your friends and your family. Share it across your social medias. Okay, thank you for your support. To those that support me on my channel, thank you guys. Okay, watch to the end. Okay.